Welcome to Quality and Welding Methodology. Gas tungsten arc welding. Survey of joining and cutting process. Gas tungsten arc welding (GTW) uses as non-consumable tungsten electrode which must be shielded with inert gas. The arc is initiated between the tip of the electrode and work of the metal and metal being welded, as well as the filler metal well used. A gas shielding protects the electrode and the molten weld pool and provides the required arc characteristics. This process listed in Figure 1.6. The process may employ direct current, positive or negative electrode or electrode current, electrode or alternating current. In general, AC is preferred for welding aluminum and magnesium. Direct current negative is preferred for welding most other material and automatic welding of which aluminum. The tungsten sometimes is welded with direct current electrode positive. When which is used with argon shielding and arc in cleaning is product at the joint surface of aluminum and magnesium. The screening action remove oxide is particularly beneficial in producing weld porosity when welding aluminum. When using DC, helium may be used as the shielding gas to the produce deep penetration. However, stringer pre-cleaning of aluminum and magnesium part is required with helium shielding. Argon and helium mixture gas shielding can provide some of the benefit of both of gases. Regardless of polarity, a constant current, essentially vertical volt amperes characteristics, welding over source is required. In addition, is high frequency associated is generally incorporated in power design for GTW. High frequency can be employed with DC to initiate the arc instead of touch, starting to minimize tungsten electrode contamination. Normally, the high frequency return of automatically after arc ignition. The high frequency power normally operates continuously with AC minimum ionize of the arc path as the arc voltage passes through zero. Some special power source provide pulsing, pulsating direct current with variable frequency. This position permit better control of the molten melt pool welding thin section as well as when welding is positioned other than flat. Several types of tungsten electrodes are used with process thoriated and zirconiated electrode had better electroemission characteristics than pure tungsten, making them more suitable for DC operation. The electrode is normally ground to a pointer or pound one pound cone configuration to minimize the argon wind. Pure tungsten has poor electron emission characteristics but provide better current balance with welding. This is this is advantageous general welding aluminum and magnesium. The equipment needed constant of welding torque, a welding power source, a source of inert gas with suitable pressure regulator and flow meter, a welding face, shield, and protective cloth. Electric power requirement depend upon the type of the material and thickness of the weld. Power requirement range from 8 kilowatt for a 200 ampere unit to 3 kilowatt for a 500 unit. Portable engine drive power source are also available. A small 200 ampere welding equipment setup will cost about $1,000, while a simple automatic unit of 500 ampere capacity may cost about $5,000. The addition of arc voltage control, slope control, and other associated will materially increase the cost. Gas tungsten arc welding require more training time. Annually, dexterity and welder coordination than does SMAW or GMAW. The equipment is portable and is applicable to most metal is wide range of thickness and all welding position. Sound arc weld can be produced with the GTAW process when the proper procedures are used. The process can be used to be welded of all type of joint, geometry and overlays. The plate, sheet, pipe, tubing and other structural shape. It is particularly appropriate for welding section less than 3/8 inch 10 mm thickness, also 1 to 6 inch 25.4 and to 154 mm diameter pipe. Thicker section can be welded but economical, generally indicate the choice of consumable electrode process. The combination of GTAW or root pass welding with other SMAW, GMAW is particularly advantages for welding pipe. The Tungsten Arc provide a smooth, uniform root path while fill-up cap path and are made with more economic process. GTW gas junction arc welding is generally more expensive than XMLW due to cost of the inert gas, and it is only 10 to 20% as fast as GMAW. However, GTAW will provide the highest quality root path while accommodate a wider range of thickness, position and geometry than their SMAW or GMAW.